sa bunga. Gusto ko sa bunga, Lolo.
Bakit sa bunga?
Ayaw ko dito.
Ayaw mo dito? Why you like it there?
Because I don't like it here.
Because you don't like it here. How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
You stay here tonight and tomorrow we will go there.
No, Lolo. I want there.
But it's still hot. It's still hot outside. Let's wait for the temperature to cool down, okay?
No.
You sleep now.
No.
You sleep first.
No.
And tomorrow we will go.
No.
Oh, ayaw ka.
I want to go.
Mainit pa eh. Paglamig.
I want to go.
Ay, nako. Hindi marunong pagsabihan. Magpapalamig muna tayo. Let's wait for about 2 hours more, okay?
No, Lolo.
What time now?
No.
Ay, ako na nga. Look, it's only 2 o'clock.
No.
4 o'clock we will go, okay? You stay here.
No, Lolo. Don't.
It's only 2 o'clock.
Teaching.
It's very hot outside.
People will take from my 2 pesos.
You see, oh, it's only 2 o'clock. Huh?
No. It's 2 pesos where you go.
Oh. Why you won't listen? Huh?
Where you go?
So you lay here beside me. You sleep first. When you wake up, we will go. Okay?